A warm welcome to Professor Yoichi Tanaka's session. Professor Tanaka is an academician, autopsy specialist, and oral pathologist with over 43 years of experience. Professor Tanaka's expertise encompasses liquid-based cytology, telepathology, microscope-aided clinical diagnosis, digital pathology, and artificial intelligence. Through his role as a visiting professor at the Department of Pathology, Sekeikai Chiba Medical Center, he continues being a keen learner and an active researcher. Professor Tanaka heads the non-profit organization for Oral Cancer Early Detection Network, Japan, and he relentlessly focuses on spreading awareness about early detection of oral cancer. He has mentored numerous cytotechnicians and young oral pathologists, and he continues to do so through his initiative at Oral Cytopathological Diagnosis Research Institute, OCPAD, Japan. Today, we honor his legacy and remarkable work in the field through this extensive session at the International Oral Disease Case Presentations Conference 2025.